Lightning Buffalo Link. See what happens. 10-cent denom, $4 bet. Oh, looking good already. A few $100 already in there. That's nice. Keep it going, resetting. Looking good. Oh, I'm liking this. 2 there. More big numbers. Big numbers. 50's a good number. 20's not a bad number. 30. Keep resetting. Fill her all up. 1, 1, 1, 1. Nothing. It's alright. It's a good one. What's the total here? $300? No, more than 3. Closer to 4 something? Oh, 560, most definitely. 590. Hell yeah. I'm glad I went down below my $100 floor. Nice.